If you're trying to log in to your online banking of Bank of America, then you're watching the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you the steps and the section from where you can easily log in to your account of Bank of America. So make sure you stick till the end, and let's get right into the video. The website of Bank of America is called bankofamerica.com, so make sure you search for this on the search bar of your web browser. Once you land on the website of Bank of America, on the left hand side, you'll be able to see this login box. So first of all, type in the user ID that you created while you signed up. And in the second box, also make sure to type in the password. If you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can click on the forgot ID/password option and then follow simple steps to successfully recover either of these information. And lastly, if you want this device to remember your user ID, the next time you log in, you can check this box. And once you fill in both of these information, you can click on login and you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking of Bank of America. You can also do the same process using the mobile app of Bank of America. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials similar to this.